Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject mathematics, term 2, chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is shapes and pattern. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are match the objects to correct shapes, solid shapes, properties of cube shape. So beta, today we will cover all these topics. Let's start. Question number 2. Match the object to the correct shapes by drawing lines of page number 47. Beta, I had given you question number 1 in the homework, so we will discuss it later on. So let's start. Here these objects are given and we have to match the objects with the correct shapes. Okay. So here first object is a coin. Okay. Now beta, tell me what is the shape of a coin? That is of circle shape. So we will match it with the help of this line like this. Okay. We have matched circle with the coin. Now beta, with the help of this circle, we can make a face. So we will join these circle and face by this line. Understood? Now the next one is these are x. Now x have which shape? Oval shape, and here we have oval. So with the help of line we will match it like this. Okay. Now beta, with the help of this oval we can make a handball. This is a handball. So we will match with it this line. Okay. Now the next one is handkerchief. Handkerchief क्या होता है बेटा? Hanky. Okay. So what is the shape of handkerchief? That is a square shape object. Okay. So we will match it with this square with the help of this line. Now with the help of this square we can make chess also. So we will match both these by this line. Now the next one is blackboard. Okay, and what is the shape of blackboard? That is of rectangle shape. Okay, so here we will match it with this rectangle like this, and with the help of this rectangle we can make the drawing of TV. So we will match it with this like this. Understood beta? Now the last one is sandwich. Okay, and what is the shape of this sandwich? That is of triangle shape. So triangle is given here. So we will match it with this with the help of this line. Okay. Now with the help of this triangle we can make a cap. So we will match it like this. Understood beta? Three-dimensional shapes. Today we will learn about three-dimensional shapes. What are three-dimensional shapes beta? Three-dimensional shapes means solid shapes, okay, or 3D shapes. Three-dimensional shapes means solid shapes or 3D shapes. Short form होती है three-dimensional की 3D shapes. A shape that has length, width and thickness is called solid shape. ऐसी shapes बेटा जिनकी length मतलब लंबाई, width मतलब चौड़ाई and thickness means मोटाई. Okay, ये तीन चीजें होती हैं. That shapes are called solid shapes. Or in other words we can say that a shape that has length, breadth and height are called solid shapes. Understood beta? Now more about solid shapes. In simple words, we can say that the objects around us are 3D shape objects. ठीक है बेटा? जो हमारे आसपास objects होते हैं, all objects are of 3D shape. Understood? Some solid shapes. So today we will learn some solid shapes. So what are the solid shapes we will learn in this chapter? That is number 1, cube, cuboid, cone, sphere and cylinder. So in this chapter we will learn all these solid shapes. Cube, C-U-B-E, cube, C-U-B-O-I-D, cuboid, C-O-N-E, cone, S-P-H-E-R-E, sphere, C-Y-L-I-N-G-E-R, cylinder. Okay, beta? So in this lecture, we will learn about cube. So let's start. New words. So beta, today I am going to tell you some new words which we can use in the properties of shapes. Okay, so let's start. Here one is cube, C-U-B-E, cube. Number 2 is faces, F-A-C-E-S, faces. Number 3, edges, E-D-G-E-S, edges. And number 4, corners, C-O-R-N-E-R-S. And another name of corner is vertex, corners, vertices and corner, vertex. Okay, beta? You need to learn spelling of these words. Okay. Now beta, meaning of face in solid shape. So what do you mean by face? Okay. So here the outer surface of a solid is called the face. Okay beta. Outer surface. What do you mean by outer surface? बेटा जब कोई सॉलिड होता है उसका जो फेस सरफेस हमें बाहर से दिखाई देता है, ठीक है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फेस इन सॉलिड. ओके, नाउ मीनिंग ऑफ एजेस इन सॉलिड शेप. अब व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय एजेस? व्हेन टू फेसेस मीट इट मेक एन एज. ठीक है, इट कैन बी स्ट्रेट और कर्व्ड. जब बेटा टू फेसेस मीट करते हैं, आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर द मीनिंग ऑफ फेसेस. सो व्हेन टू फेसेस मीट, ओके, देन इट फॉर्म्ड अ एज. तो वहां पे हमारी एक एज बनती है. इट कैन बी स्ट्रेट और कर्व. ये स्ट्रेट भी हो सकती है, स्ट्रेट मीन्स सीधी लाइन की तरह भी हो सकती है, और कर्व्ड भी हो सकती है. इफ आवर फेसेस आर स्ट्रेट, देन our edges are straight. If our faces are curved, then our edges are also curved. Understood, beta? Now the next one is meaning of vertex in solid shape. Beta, vertex mean. What do you mean by vertex in solid shape? So here vertex means corner. When two lines or edges meet together, it form a corner or vertex. ओके बेटा, जब दो लाइंस जो हैं वो इकट्ठे मीट करती हैं या एजेस मीट करती हैं, तो क्या होता है? एक कॉर्नर फॉर्म होता है, एक वर्टेक्स फॉर्म होता है. ओके, नाउ बेटा आई विल शो यू वन क्यूब ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay, and from that object we will count the number of faces, vertices and edges of cube. Okay, so here is a cube shaped object. Okay, so let's count the number of faces. So first face is this, the top face, then bottom, two faces, then three, front and back, four faces, then left and right. Okay, so how many faces we have counted? Number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So how many number of faces in a cube? There are 6 faces. Understood, beta? Now we will count the number of corners or vertices of a cube. So here first we will count number of corners of the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay beta. Now we will count the number of corners of bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 corners हैं हमारे top के और 4 corners bottom. So how many? 4 plus 4, 8 corners or vertices we have in a cube. Now we will count number of edges. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. ठीक है. So there are 12 edges of a cube. Understood beta? Now I am going to show how to make cube shape on your notebook. Okay, so let's start. First of all, you have to make 2 lines format. Okay, so here first of all we will write today's date. Okay, and what is today's date? That is 21/9/2020. Okay, then we will write Monday and CW, because I am doing CW work, and if you will do homework then you will write HW. After that we will write here in the between chapter number 4, and the name of the chapter is Shapes and Patterns. Then what we have to make? Cube. So here we will write cube. Now beta, how we will make cube? First of all, to make cube we have to make a square. Okay, so here we will make a square with the help of 2 slipping lines and 2 standing lines. So let's start making square. Here standing line, then slipping line, then again standing line, and then again slipping line. So here I have made a square. Okay, now from the mid of the square we will make another square. बिल्कुल बीच में से बेटा हम एक और स्क्वायर बनाएंगे. So let's start like the standing line, then slipping line, then again standing, and then slipping. So here in this we have made 2 squares. Now what we have to do? We have to join the corners. Okay, like this. Clear? Then like this, 2 bottom ke or 2 top ke. Okay, now here bottom part we will have to match. So this is a cube formed. Understood? पहले हमने यहाँ पर टॉप की कॉर्नर्स को मिलाया है और नीचे हमने बॉटम के कॉर्नर्स को मिलाया है. Now बेटा we have to write the faces, corners and edges. So here these are the faces, this one. Okay, so here we will write face. Okay, and these lines are the edges. So we will write H because we are showing only one edge. Now these are the corners. Okay, so here we will write corner or vertex. Both are same. So you have to make cube like this in your homework notebook. Understood beta? Now the properties of a cube. You need to write all the properties of a cube in your notebook. So here is a cube. It has 6 faces. It has 12 edges. It has 8 vertices or corners. अगर बेटा 1 होता है then we will call it vertex, because 8 is greater than 1, so we will write vertices or corners. And all edges of a cube are equal. Okay, जितने भी क्यूब की edges होती हैं 12 edges, all edges are equal in length. Okay, now I'll show you cube shape objects. So here first one is, which object is this beta? Can you guess? Yes, this is an ice cube. Okay, ice cube. Now another is, which object is this? You all know, है ना? That is dice. Now the next object is, yes, which object is this? This is a cube. Okay, and fourth object is, it is a gift. And which gift is this? Cube shape. Okay, cube shape gift is this. Now beta, today's homework, draw a cube shape in your notebook. Learn and write its properties. You have to draw a cube shape in your notebook beta. First of all, you have to make 2 lines format. Okay, I told you in the video how to write the date, day, okay, and how to draw a cube. I told you na, you have to do accordingly. Okay, beta, and you have to learn and write its properties. You need to learn and write its properties from this video. Okay, beta. Now, homework solution of lecture number 1 of page number 46 I had given you. So let's start homework solution. Question number 1. See the given objects with their shapes. This was the question. Object is given, shape is given, and sides and corners. And we have to write the shape of that object. So here in first, go slow, school ahead. It is given a signal, and here shape is triangle. This object shape is triangle, and sides and corners, it has 3 sides and it has 3 corners. And what is the name of this shape? That is triangle. You need to write the correct spelling. Triangle. Triangle. Understood? Now the next one is, this is an envelope. Okay. And this shape is given. It has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. So which shape is this? That is rectangle. 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 Okay. Now the next one is, this is chess. Okay. And what is the shape given? Square. It has 4 sides. It has 4 corners. And the name of the shape is square. Now the next one is, this is a clock. Okay. And circle shape is given. It has no sides and no corners. It goes round and round. Which shape is this? Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Now the last one is, this is an egg. Okay. And shape is given. It has no sides and no corners. So can you guess which shape is this? That is oval shape. O-V-A-L. Oval. Now beta, HOTS. H-O-T-S, HOTS. Higher order thinking skill. Okay. Of page number 46. What is the question? How many triangles can you count from this given figure? Okay. So beta, here we have given a figure and we have to count that how many triangles this figure has. So let's start counting triangles of this figure. So first of all, this triangle is formed. So we will write here 1. Okay. After that, this second triangle form. Okay. And we will write 2 here. After that beta, you can see that if we will count these 3 lines, okay, then this third angle form. After that, this fourth triangle form, and when we will count these three lines, this and this. Then fifth triangle formed. Okay, and if we will count these three lines, then again there is sixth triangle, number 6. Okay, now this triangle we will count number 7, and after that this triangle, that is number 8. Clear beta? After that we will count this triangle. This is number 9th triangle. Okay, then we will count this triangle, and that is of number 10. Okay, now the one triangle is left, that is this triangle, by taking these three lines. This triangle is number 11. So how many triangles we can count in this figure? That is 11 triangles. Understood beta? 11 triangles is the correct answer of this question. This is our answer. Thank you.